Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin wabihi nasta'in ala umuri dunia waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. First of all, let us praise and thank the presence of Allah Almighty for the abundance of grace and the joy of all of us can still gather in this place without any barriers at all and good health. Not forgetting the salawat and greetings with power out to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us out of the dark ages to era of bright light today, namely Islam. May we all get interaction on the end. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Farida. You can be called Farida. I am a student at UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty, Islamic Education, Guidance and Counseling Department, Class 2A. Here, I will fulfill the assessment for the final semester exam in English, namely discussing about peer relationship and peer pressure. Just the first one there. What is a peer relationship? Peer relationships are interpersonal relationships established and developed during social interactions among peers or individuals with similar levels of psychological development. How does peer pressure affect a relationship? While negative peer pressure, where an individual acts negative choice, for example drinking just to fit in a group, is bad. Peer pressure can affect a relationship in many ways, which include heat arguments, since one of the partners may force their new awkward ideas on another partner. What is the difference between peer pressure and peer pressure? Peer pressure is a direct suggestion for peers. Peer influence means that peers are watching you. Is teenager more likely to make risky decisions on the road when friends are watching? Compared to adults, yes, they are more likely. What are teenagers usually concerned about? What is an example of peer pressure? They might pressure you into doing something you're uncomfortable with, such as shoplifting, doing drugs, or drinking, taking dangerous risks when driving a car, or having sex before you feel ready. Peer relationship. Trust. The importance of trust in building strong friendship. Emotional support. How friends provide emotional support to each other. Conflict between friends. Cause of conflict. Factors that can trigger conflict. Conflict resolution techniques and negative effect. Social groups. Social identity. How friends are grouped. Group norms. Unwritten rules that apply. Exclusivity, challenge, and impacts of peer pressure. Number one, positive pressure. Academic motivation. How peer pressure can improve academic performance. Healthy lifestyle. Influence of friends in adopting healthy living habits. Activity participation. Encouragement to participate in extracurricular extracurricular, or social. Number 2, negative pressure, risky behavior, pressure to turn, conformity, pressure to conform to group norms, despite bullying, pressure to participate or not. Number 3, strategy or dealing with pressure, setting limits, the importance of setting clear personal boundaries, refusal skills, techniques for saying, supermans. Good peer relationship can foster positive outcomes in social, emotional, and academic domains. They can be fun. They can also provide an emotional support, a safe environment to explore one's self-concept, and buffer against difficult relationship at home or school. Negative peer influence as well as isolation and lack of peer relationships is a risk factor for antisocial and problematic behaviors and is also often blamed for risky behaviors. Peer relationship in teen girls. For many teenage girls, peer relationship take priority over everything else. They are entering a time when they are exploring their own interests and formulating their own opinions and thoughts outside of their family unit as they explore new facts of their identity. This friend relationship helps shape their new interests and priorities. The positive side of peer pressure. Positive peer relationships are the result of healthy relationships and can create a bond that lasts well past their teenage years. Peers can set good examples for each other, having friends who are committed to doing well in school or doing their best in sport can influence them to be more goal-oriented. 2. Peers who are kind and loyal influence their friends to build these qualities in themselves as well. Friends can also help each other with decision making. Peer pressure is a direct or indirect influence on peers, i.e., members of social groups with similar interests, experience, or social statuses. Members of a peer group are more likely to influence a person's beliefs, values, religion, and behavior. A group or individual may be encouraged and want to follow their peers by changing their attitudes, values, or behaviors to conform to those of the influencing group or individual. For the individual affected by peer pressure, this can have both a positive or negative effect on them. Maybe that's all I can agree on. If there's anything more, please forgive me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.